Now we're going to work on the daisy magic flower. So we'll start the same and make a magic ring. This time, instead of doing the single crochet in our magic ring, we're going to chain 3 and do a half treble. Yarn over twice, insert in your magic ring, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3, and chain 3 and slip stitch back in your magic ring. I want a pretty full flower, so I'm going to do 14 petals. So I'll repeat that sequence of chain 3, half treble, chain 3, and slip. Oh, and slip. You can do as many petals or as few as you like. Again, I'm doing 14. I caught a hair, so I'm going to stop here and count my petals. And I have 10. It might actually be enough, but I'm going to add at least 2 more. See how this turned out. There's so many flower variations. It was hard to give y'all all of them. Just like flower species. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it, not close for sure, leave a big thumb size hole, and see if my petals aren't overlapping too much for what I'm after. This is one variation, and I'll try that on for y'all on a flower. So this is the magic part. Shh, a magician never reveals his secrets. But we take our magic flower off, and then we can put it on different flowers and try them on. And as long as you don't close that magic ring too closed, you can go ahead and pull it on and off. And once you've decided, oh, I want that one, you just cinch that magic ring down on the center. And I actually do really like this one, so I think I'm going to stop there for this one. Maybe add a few more just to see, because I like how they're bunching up. How when they turn to their side, it looks like the double layers that I was after. This is it. We're so excited. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 more petals. Or 1 more, I think, for 12. I want 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I already have 12, that's why it looks so good. So maybe my original 14. And the more you have, the more stitches you have, the harder it's going to be to work into that magic ring. Especially the way I've closed it. Okay. So this would definitely be my last petal. And I may even take them out. We'll see. This, like the Arrange Your Own Bouquet washcloth pattern, is kind of very versatile and kind of a pick your own kind of thing. Pick your own flowers and arrange them. Except this one's the pencil topper, so here we go, and that's what it looks like with the 14. And the other was the 12. Again, I kind of liked the 12 better. It depends. It's a personal preference kind of thing. As long as you have enough that when it meets up, you don't have a gap. So that's why I recommended the 14, because on your single crochet circles, you need at least 12, 14. And there you have your Magic Flower Daisy pencil topper. So this is probably the fluffiest of all the flowers. And we're going to do our magic ring, chain 1, and go ahead and do 14 single crochet. And once you have 14, you are not going to close your magic ring. You can pull it a little bit just to pull out any slack, but don't close it bigger than your thumb. And now we're going to work into that back loop, the second one, and we'll do a slip stitch. And we're going to chain 4. And slip stitch in the same space. And then we'll slip stitch into the next space, back loop only. We're going to work back loops only through this entire row, and chain 4 and slip in that same space, and slip in the next, and do chain 4 and slip in the same, and chain 4, and next make sure you're going into the back loop only, and we'll do the same. Seems I might have skipped one. Same. This is a really fluffy one.
We worked 7 of these front loops, and now we're going to try 6. Let's see what kind of look you get. It's going to be almost the same. Pearls are just going to be different. I'm just working into this front loop right now.
Super fluffy.